In this video, you will see what gold dealers in Canada see using goldpricecanada.ca, and I will show you how to use the live raw data for gold.
And I will show you how to use the Gold Sentiment Report.
And I will show you how to use the US dollar and Canadian dollar forecasts.
In the first panel, you will see our live chart for the price of gold in Canadian dollars, with the average spot price for gold in both Canadian and US dollars above the chart. At the bottom of the chart, you can select your precious metal, the currency, grams or ounces, and the time frame for the chart. In the fifth panel, you will see the opening price and the highs and lows for today, or the last day the market was open. In the sixth panel, we break down the exact price per gram or per ounce by each carat. And these values update every 5 seconds when the markets are open. In the seventh panel, we show the price of gold in Canada by the most important weights, showing the current bid, ask, and average price. In the eighth panel, we show the average price for gold in all the major weight classes. Again, this data is updated every 5 seconds when the markets are open. And in the ninth panel, we have a simple calculator that shows you exactly how much your gold is worth, no matter the weight or carat. And in the 10th panel, we also give you a reverse calculator that shows you the percentage of the payout for any offers on your precious metals. And if you want to display this website at your store, try showing it with the display in portrait mode for optimum readability.
Most major gold dealers who trade in gold typically receive subscription-based reports on the future indicators for the price of gold. These services monitor gold futures contracts, media sentiment signals, cohort signals from online polls, as well as leading economist forecasts. All of these paid services ban us from being able to present their data to you, so we created a simple sentiment graph that uses AI to combine them all into an easy-to-understand live gold sentiment indicator that looks forward for 7 days. When gold is in extremely bearish territory, this could be a buying signal. And when gold is extremely bullish in our chart, we see this as a possible signal to sell. And before using our gold sentiment indicator, please read our price warning disclaimer.
The price of gold in Canadian dollars, CAD, is directly affected by the USD CAD exchange rate because gold is typically traded in US dollars, USD, on international markets. Goldpricecanada.ca presents the forecast from the major Canadian banks looking forward over a year broken down into financial quarters. Here's how the USD CAD to gold relationship works. If the USD CAD exchange rate increases, meaning the Canadian dollar weakens against the US dollar, it takes more Canadian dollars to buy the same amount of gold. This causes the price of gold in CAD to rise even if the gold price in USD remains unchanged. If the USD CAD exchange rate decreases, meaning the Canadian dollar strengthens against the US dollar, fewer Canadian dollars are needed to buy the same amount of gold. This results in a lower gold price in CAD, assuming the USD price of gold stays constant. Changes in the price of gold in USD also impact its price in CAD. If gold prices in USD increase, the price of gold in CAD will rise even more if the Canadian dollar is weak against the USD. The price of gold in CAD is therefore influenced by both the USD gold price and the USD CAD exchange rate. A combination of a rising USD gold price and a weakening CAD can significantly increase the gold price in CAD. Conversely, a falling USD gold price and a strengthening CAD can decrease the gold price in CAD.